It's me, Hasley, Joshua.
What's up everybody, it's me, Pansley. Today I'm gonna be playing Granny and I'm gonna show you a very funny or a very cool glitch. So let's get started. We're gonna go easy and continue. So day one, so first I'm gonna show you my first glitch. So all you have to do is wait a minute. Okay, take the vase, drop near the bed, and stand right here. And when Granny comes, you will crouch down, and after she reaches like this, you will keep tapping this button right here. If it doesn't work, don't worry, it will work someday. Days it doesn't have to be. Right. See, it doesn't work at the first time for mine too, but it will work. And I wasn't concentrating, so I let her come in. And then after she reached the table, I just grabbed. So let's do that again. As you can see, and then just keep trying. Also, I'm gonna keep trying, and let's fast forward this. As you can see, it worked out. Okay, let's give her a nice big warm hug. Look how pretty you are today, Granny. Mwah. Bye-bye. No, I have another glitch to show them. But before that, we're gonna complete this
And we're gonna
Granny.
escape from the bye guys.
Yeah, I know. Is there anything in the cabinet? I mean, a drawer? No. Yes, a weird candle. And then just get up. Get down, crouch, go here, then just go here.
It was so hard.
We're just gonna say anything? No. Let's just see what's inside me. It's a cutting plier. Yay!
Bye guys, see you later. Bye, Tommy.
No,
Where?
I'm still trying to do another glitch.
Let me do it now.
No, I gotta finish this escaping. Granny, you having fun? Yes, she's having fun running, doing exercises. Wait, I totally forgot. Wait, did it fall down? I think it fell down. Let me just go downstairs. But first, let's go check the bathroom. A weapon key. We go here. Where did the cutting pliers go? I'm not gonna shoot Granny, but I'm gonna shoot the screwdriver and stuff. Right over there. Shoot. No! I've missed it. Yeah. Don't make me miss. Shoot. Yeah. Got it. So we're gonna get a screwdriver. But first we gotta check all the... A melon, yeah.
And me?
Where did those cutting pliers go?
You died when you fall.
No, I lost my cutting pliers. Where is that cutting plier? No, I'm never gonna finish the game.
Get a bonus day.
No,
Wow.
we're just gonna go here, unlock this save key. I think the hammer will be there. In the save. Nope. A playhouse key. Hush. Keep on going. We're just gonna go here. and crab. Oh, a cogwheel, but before that, we're gonna get the melon. And then just put it here. Master key. We still don't need a master key. Nothing. Nope. Nothing. Copy. Why did I even do the cutting pliers like that? No, I'm already bad. Yes. Nothing. Nope. I don't need a piece of candy. No. Nothing. Oh. I need a hammer. Nothing. Nothing. We just need a hammer. It's right there. Wait, let me just drop it. Right there. Ah. I mean, like right here. Okay. Good. Get some more. Then go upstairs. Having fun? Okay. Don't fall. Wait. Is there anything here? No. Wait. Please, and then get the hammer. If I don't crouch, I will fall, so Granny won't be stuck anymore, so we gotta be careful. And then we're gonna break the CCTV like that. Let's drop it. This. And then this. Okay, let's go downstairs. To get the cutting pliers. Wait, I think we can actually open now. Nope, we still need a padlock key. I think that's in the playhouse, right? Because only the padlock keys need. If we get the cogwheel, we can open some stuff inside the playhouse, and then we'll get a padlock key and we'll open the stuff, the padlock, and then we'll get the monster key because I already have the monster key, as we already know. I'm way too scared to die. And then just go there. Let's get inside the playhouse. No, this is the last thing. We just need a padlock key, and then we already have the master key, so we can open it.
What is it? What is that key? Is that a weapon?
Padlock key. So we're gonna escape. Where's the master key? Yeah. 1, 2, 3, go.
Now, stuck Granny, okay?
Yeah.
Stuck Granny in my
Wait.
turn.
No way, I gotta show them another glitch.
No.
Oh, it's not take long. It doesn't take long, hey. It doesn't take long.
It's gonna be taking so long.
It's not gonna take long, I promise. It doesn't take long. Ow! It's so mean. And look, this glitch is super cool.
If you take a glitch, my turn, give it to me.
Yeah?
If you don't give it to me,
You will what?
no, you. Anyway.
That doesn't make any sense. So before
What
Granny
is?
comes out, you gotta go here in the attic, and then stand right here, and then drop.
It's gonna fall. The chair is gonna fall.
Okay, let's just get inside.
This chair is gonna fall.
No, and then like if she comes, she will all break all those stuff without the hammer.
see you.
She will try to go to the other side. What? Oh look, you're super good at working, you know. Granny, you don't even have to use anything. You just knock them off. Go fast, Granny. See, that's the other glitch.
Where?
She's putting a bear at trepe. Wait, some... Shh. Oh no. I think she's gonna come.
I can't see. It's bright. Play.
Oh no, she hears. She's gonna
If you
come.
die, my turn.
Yeah.
Or just kidding. If
Oh no, she's gonna come.
if you die, you're gonna have
Wait,
to
look,
glitch
look,
him
look.
again on the room in my
Okay,
turn.
we can go down.
What does that mean? I have to leave this house? Or what?
Let's make noise.
Yes.
Okay, your turn. Wait, before that, I'm gonna. And so, thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave a like if you liked it, the glitch. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.